Hello, welcome to HotelContractBeds. Our sleep experts are worried on how they can ever improve on a model that's more luxurious in comfort than the Natural Choice 6000. Lovingly handmade in our workshops by master craftsmen with techniques refined and handed down over generations using the finest quality materials and fillings, the Natural Choice 6000 is sublime. This mattress is available in a medium or firmer feel and has a staggering 6,000 of our unique identity individual pocket springs, all working independently from each other, that will provide complete back, neck and pelvic support, as well as allowing for hips and shoulders to be gently caressed. The finest long-lasting natural fibres and fillings are then hand-laid over the spring unit, giving the ultimate comfort and support using soft, springy wool for its insulation, being warm in winter and cool in summer, cotton felt for its moisture absorption, maintaining your comfort throughout the night, and finally cashmere and silk for its sustainable breathability and excellent cooling. This is then covered in a 100% natural, cool viscose fabric to provide a soft and breathable surface and ensure a fresh and hygienic night's sleep. The tailored mattress borders have 4 rows of side stitching, giving strength and durability to the edge of the mattress, with flag stitch turning handles making it easy to turn the mattress, prolonging its life. Finally, we fit air vents to allow airflow throughout the mattress, ensuring it's always fresh and clean. Our bed bases are second to none, with solid sides and ends, making them probably the strongest in the marketplace today. Available with a choice of storage options shown on our base video, and upholstered in a choice of modern fabrics or our unique stain guard vinyl that's water repellent and easily wiped clean. All our headboards are available in a range of styles and designs and can be made in matching fabric to the Divan base as shown here. This model is shown in a zip and link version for this video, but is available in any size. All our beds meet with Source 5 contract fire regulations, and we're so confident of the products we manufacture that we back the Natural Choice 6000 with our 10-year warranty. HotelContractBeds. Dream in yours, sleep in ours.